This is the assembly video for the Vermont 36V e-bike from Daymak. First off, cut the two white straps around the box with either scissors or a knife. Open the box and take the frame out, and stand it up using the kickstand. Take out the seat, then cut the zip ties that keep the tires and quick release latch attached. Remove the bubble wrap from the e-bike and slide the seat post into the frame. Straighten out the seat and rotate the quick release latch until the seat begins to feel snug. Then clamp the quick release lever. Insert the handlebar into the frame and using an Allen key, tighten the bolt at the top until it is secure. Align the grooves of the handlebar to the center of the handlebar stem. Then tighten it using an Allen key using the bolt from below. Remove the plastic pieces from the front forks and the front tires. Take the quick release latch and unscrew the top piece and remove the spring. Align the front tire inside the front forks while making sure the brake disc slides into the brake caliper. Insert the quick release bar through the tire. Put the spring from the quick release latch on the other side with the smallest side closest to the frame, and then screw the top back on. On the other side, rotate the quick release handle until it begins to feel tight, and then clamp the lever. On each pedal, you will see an R or an L designating the right and left pedals. Screw both the pedals into the pedal arms and tighten them using a wrench. Unscrew the screw for the bell. Put it on the handlebar and then screw it back so that it is secure. Take the battery pouch and remove the belt buckle straps. Then, thread each strap through the holes on the seat. Put the straps back through the buckle and secure it to the bike. Lift the cap of the triangular battery pack and plug the power cable from the pouch into it. Then screw the end of the plug until it's secured to the battery. To install the Daymak Bluetooth hands-free device, first unscrew the top of the mounting bracket. Remove the screw and stretch the mounting bracket over the handlebars. Position the mount so that the mount is perpendicular to the handlebars. Put the screw back through it and then tighten it with the top cover. Now put the Daymak Bluetooth hands-free device in the mount with the flashlight facing forward. To put on the bottle holder, unscrew the two screws located on the frame of the Vermont. Align the holes of the bottle holder to the holes on the frame with the lip of the bottle holder at the bottom. Put the washer and the screw through the hole and using an Allen key screw it in until it's tight. Now slide your water bottle into the holder. Unscrew the caps on both the front and rear tires, then attach the bicycle pump and pump air into it until it's at 90 psi. And that's the Vermont 36V assembly video. Now you're ready to ride.